Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your photos and videos from your old phone to the new Samsung Galaxy phone. So how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end, and by the end of it you will know how to do it. So for this you need to have a Type-C cable, and you need to connect the one end of the cable to your old phone, which I'm doing just right now. And then what you need to do is to connect the other end to this side of the phone. So once you connect both ends to each other on one of the phone, you will receive this pop-up. Here you need to choose Smart Switch and then tap on always or just once. What you need to do next is to tap on Send from this phone. If you are sending, if this is your old phone, you need to tap on Send from this phone. This phone will receive a pop-up message. All you need to do is to select Smart Switch again and just once, and here you need to choose Receive. Now as you see, both phones are connecting right now. It will take a bit of time to connect first, and then I will tell you how to choose the photos and videos only if you want to send it from this phone to this one. While you can send other files like your contacts, even application and the setting on your old phone to the new one. But for this video we are just going to do the videos and photos. So guys, the setup has been done. Like, it is now connected with each other, and here, as you can see, you can select everything if you want to transfer everything from this phone to this one. But if you want to just choose the photos and videos, you need to select the custom one. Then scroll a bit where you will find images and videos. All you need to do is to select it. So once you select that one, now tap on transfer, and here, as you can see, the size of the files that you're sending, and it will take about 44 minutes. So if you don't want to do anything in your phone, just tap on transfer and the data transfer will start. It will take approximately 44 minutes to transfer everything, depend on how much the size of the videos and the photos that you have in your old phone. So guys, if this video is helpful, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.